Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Get Creative with Paulomi. Since it's still winter for us and we have a lot of snow, so I thought why not do a snowscape. So let's start. So for my snowscape, I'll be using my Chalkola acrylic colors and a stretch canvas. Starting with the sky using a blend of white and blue. I'm using phthalo blue. You can use ultramarine or cobalt blue if you do not have phthalo blue. And then in the middle, I'm using a mix of yellow and white to depict the sun. And I would use more white to blend in with the blue sky. Now I'm using some crimson and white. You can use orange or red instead of crimson. Now we'll be painting the base of the snow. For that I'm using violet, blue and a mix of white. For painting the horizon vegetation, I'm using black and then I'll be using white on top of it to get a gray shade, because the horizon during the snow time, it's quite hazy and blurry. As mentioned, I'm using pure white on top of the black. Using pure black, I'm painting the tree trunks. Friends, thanks for supporting my channel, and for my new friends, please subscribe, share, like, hit the bell icon for my future videos and support my channel. Thank you. As kids, we always thought snow would be white, so painting a snow only using white, but it's interesting to see how we generally paint snow using more of violets, blues, white and yellows. Now using a mix of black and green, I'm randomly painting some leaves. Here we'll be painting the shadows and the darks on the snow. So for that I'm using a lot of violet, blue and a tinge of white. So for painting a snow, first you have to paint the base, which would be a mix of more of white, violet and blue, and then with using more of violet, blue and a little bit of white, you would be painting the darks of the snow, and finally we'll be using some whites. So here, to depict the highlights of the snow, I am using pure titanium white. Do not put a lot of white, just put it here and there very randomly to show the brighter side of the land. Now the same way, putting some random whites, I will be painting snow on the trees and the tree trunks. Now using a little bit of light yellow, I will be using it on top of the white to depict the sun rays, which is mainly falling in the middle of the painting. Using white and a little bit of yellow, I am painting the sun rays. Finally, by painting a few more tree trunks in the background, we'll end the painting. So here is the snowscape. Hope you like this painting. Do try at home, and till my next video, stay safe. Thanks for watching, and please do not forget to subscribe, share, like, hit the bell icon for future videos. Bye bye.